This is how you're going to install and activate Elementor Pro license. So first thing is we're going to head over to the WordPress dashboard, and then from here you're going to look over to the left side panel until you see this plugins button right here. So you're just going to click on that, or you can hover your mouse over it and then click on installed plugins. Now once you click on installed plugins, you should be able to see the Elementor one that you will see right here if you already have it installed. But if you don't have it installed yet, then just make sure that you download the plugin from the Elementor website first, and then from there you can just click on add plugin right here and then upload the plugin of your choice. So you can just upload plugin right here, and then you're going to click on choose file, but make sure that you have a WordPress account set in premium, because you cannot upload a file if your WordPress is not yet set to premium. So you can just choose file right here, and then you're going to add an Elementor plugin if you already have one. So as you can see, I have one here. You can click on open, and then you're just going to click on install now, and that allows you to install Elementor on your WordPress. Now after that, you're going to click on installed plugins once again. We're just going to wait for this one to load. Now, once you have the plugin installed, like I said, you can just head over to the plugins or installed plugin section, and then from here you'll be able to see the Elementor. But I already have it activated, so I'm just going to show you how you can do that. So you will usually see this kind of text if you don't have it activated just yet, so you will be able to see connect and activate. Now you're just gonna have to click on that, and then after that you're going to just click on connect and activate under the license settings. So from your as you can see marked in the green circle, you'll be able to find it, and then you just have to click on it and then click on connect and activate on the license settings page. Now once you're done clicking on that, we're going to head over, or you'll be able to see this pop-up that says ready to use Elementor Pro. So you're just gonna have to enter your email address. Make sure that you enter the correct address, and then because you're gonna have to link it. Now after that, you're going to switch user. Now once you hit on switch user, you're now going to select which license you would like to connect. So you can see this drop down field right here. You're just gonna have to choose what type of license you want to connect. Now once you have chosen, you're just going to click on activate my license, and your license will now be activated. And that is how you're going to install and activate Elementor Pro license. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.